Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel Calculus and Mathematics Learning. In the previous video, we finished and eliminated with exercise number 4.2 related with chapter number 4 partial fraction class 10 KBK board Pakistan. With which the two exercises related with chapter number 2 was completed. Today we are going to solve some problems and MCQs related with chapter number 4 partial fraction. So problem number 1 tells that 1 over x square minus 1 will be equal to. So taking the given fraction and using partial fraction, given fraction is 1 over x square minus 1. We can write it as the formula a square minus b square. We can write it x plus 1 multiply x minus 1 because the formula is a square minus b square, which is a plus b into a minus b. Using the same formula, so 1 over x plus 1 multiply x minus 1 is equal to, this is linear vector, that's why we taking a single constant a divided by x plus 1. This is also linear vector, therefore we are taking a single constant b divided by x minus 1. Taking LCM x plus 1 and x minus 1 on the both sides. X plus 1 multiply x minus 1. In numerator we are left with a multiply x minus 1 plus b multiply x plus 1. Eliminating x plus 1 and x minus 1 on the both sides. So cancelling by cancelling this side, it becomes 1 is equal to ax minus a plus bx plus b. Now from here put x plus 1 is equal to 0, so it becomes x is equal to minus 1. So by putting x is equal to minus 1, it becomes 0. And minus 1, it gives us minus 2a is equal to 1. So it gives us a is equal to minus 1 over 2. Now from here x minus 1 is equal to 0, so it gives us x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1 in this equation, it becomes x minus a will cancel out, we are left with x is equal to 1, so b plus b, 2b is equal to 1. So the value of b will be equal to 1 over 2. Now putting these two values here to resolve the given fraction into partial fraction, so a divided by x plus 1, a is minus 1 over 2, so minus 1 over 2 divided by x plus 1 plus b, so b is 1 over 2 divided by x minus 1. Now shift 2 to the denominator, it becomes minus 1 over 2 times of x plus 1, and shift 2 to the denominator, it becomes 1 over 2 times of x minus 1. So in the option we can see that 1 over 2 times of x minus 1 minus 1 over 2 times of x plus 1. So the correct option in this case is option number C. So MCQ number 2, it tells that if p of x and q of x are the two polynomial, then phi x divided by q times of x, where q of x not equal to 0 will be called rational fraction, improper fraction, irrational fraction, and proper fraction. Remember, when one polynomial is divided by the second polynomial, and the second polynomial which is in denominator is not equal to 0, so this type of fraction is called rational fraction. So the correct choice is option number A. To MCQ number 3 related with the partial fraction, chapter number 4 of class 10. It tells that x square plus 2 divided by x square plus 2x plus 2, this is a proper fraction, improper fraction, irrational fraction, or none. Remember, when the highest degree of the variable in numerator is 2, and the highest degree of the variable here in the denominator highest degree is 2. So when the degree of the numerator in the denominator highest degree is same, it means that this fraction is improper fraction, or the degree of numerator is greater or either equal to the degree of denominator, and the fraction will be called improper fraction. And the fraction will be proper only if the degree of numerator is less than the degree of denominator. So the correct choice in this case is option number B. So MCQs number 4 related with chapter number 4 partial fraction class 10. It tells that what is quotient when x cubed minus 8x squared plus 16x minus 5 is divided by x minus 5. So move to solution. This polynomial is divided by x minus 5, so x minus 5 inside the dividend we are left with x power 3 minus 8x squared plus 16x and minus 5. So x multiply x squared gives us x power 3, so multiplying x squared, so x multiply x squared gives us x power 3, and minus 5 multiply x squared, it gives us minus 5 times of x squared. Here changes the sign. It is plus, so it becomes minus. It is minus, so it becomes plus. So it will cancel out, and minus 8x squared plus 5x squared gives us minus 3 times of x squared. Now plus 16x and minus 5. Now multiply x with minus 3x to give minus 3x squared. So minus time of 3x, it gives us minus 3 times of x squared. Taking sign changes, so minus 5 multiply minus 3x gives us 15x. So sign will change, so it becomes minus. So 16 minus 15 gives us x, and minus 5 will comes down the same. X multiply 1 gives us x. So 1, here sign will change. So minus 5 multiply 1, it gives us minus 5. So the sign will change. So the remainder is 0. Hence our answer is x square minus 3x plus 1. So the correct choice in this case is option number C. So MCQs number 5 related with partial fraction, class 10 chapter number 4. It tells that partial fraction form of ax plus b divided by cx square plus d whole square will be. So taking solution, taking the given fraction ax plus b divided by cx square plus d whole square. Here the variable is x and its highest power is 2. It means that here we will take two constants, ax plus b. First constant is a, second constant is b, divided by cx square plus d. And also another square, that's why we are taking another two constant, which is cx plus d, divided by cx square plus d whole square. It will become cx square plus d whole square. So this is the partial fraction form. So the correct option in this case is option number B. Move to the last MCQ number 6 of today's lecture, related with partial fraction, chapter number 4, class 10. It tells that 3x square plus 1 divided by x minus 2 can be written as. So option A is a over x minus 2, B is ax plus b over x minus 2, and C option is 3x plus 6 plus 13 divided by x minus 2, and the last option is D, none. So solution, taking the given fraction 3x square plus 1 divided by x minus 2. Here if we look, highest power of variable is 1 and here is 2. So in numerator the highest power, the power is greater than the power of the denominator. So it means that this fraction is improper and we cannot resolve this fraction directly into a partial fraction. First we divide these fraction. So x minus 2 inside 3x square plus 1. X multiply 3x, it gives us 3x square plus minus. Minus 2 multiply 3x, it gives us minus 6x. So sign will change, it becomes 6x and plus 1. Now multiply 6 with x multiply 6, it gives us 6x. So x multiply 6, it gives us 6x. So sign will change, so it becomes minus 2 multiply 6, so it gives us minus 12. Sign will change, it becomes 13. So according to the formula we can write it 3x plus 6 plus 13 divided by x minus 2. So the correct option is 3x plus 6 plus 13 divided by x minus 2. So the correct option is option number C. With this question I finished my lecture. Inshallah in the next video we will start chapter number 5 related with sets and function. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for the latest and upcoming videos of mathematics. Thank you.